Off the back of the hugely successful Get Fit with unconventional training techniques, and with everyone in lockdown, there is no better time than now for the next round of Squid Fitness. No gym, no weights, no worries. You'll get fit at home with these training techniques.
Bench press.
This one's called the floor child bench chest press. Yeah, pretty simple. Right, here we go. Ready? Ready? Yeah, I could do this all day, every day. Yeah, here we go. No, 998, 999, 1,000.
Goblet squat.
So what if you're already ripped in the chest? What if you need to work legs? Well, don't worry, we can do child goblet squats. 1, 2, 3. Oh, get rid of that one. She's not heavy enough. Yeah. 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 What if you don't have children? What if all you've got is a wife? What if you don't want to do goblet squats? Well, we can do wife back squats.
Back squats.
Just get your wife and start squatting. Yeah. Feel the burn.
Cardio.
Another way to keep up your cardiovascular endurance is to chase your kids around. Get here!
Kids' toys hurdles. Abs.
But Squid, what about abs? Abs, I need my abs. Abs are made in the kitchen. Fuck off! Abs aren't made in the kitchen. Abs are made by doing the plank. Oh yeah, just add a little bit of weight to feel those abs burn. Now we might need a little bit more weight, because my abs are super strong. Get on there. Oh, yeah. Feel the burn. Feel the burn. Now when you're doing your plank, make sure you squeeze your bum to get the real burn.
Squidly Fitness.
There's no excuse. Don't be a fat slob. Exercise now. Yeah.